And take a look at looking at an altitude. Again, just a couple of pointers. You go to this right here, click new. It'll just say don't save because I don't want to save. It'll make a completely new page. So we're going to take a look at an altitude. An altitude of a triangle is a line going from the vertex and going straight down to make a perpendicular, to make a 90-degree angle, with the base of the triangle. So first thing I obviously need is a triangle. So if you go to polygon, and you could do 3 line segments to do this, or you could just do this because this is going to be faster, however you want to do it. Click all 3 so that it can come back. There's my triangle. After that, what I want you to do is make a point anywhere on this line, but I'm going to make it kind of like here, and you'll see why in a second. I put my point right there, then I go to compass, and I go from A to D. It makes a circle, and you're going to drop that circle back on A. The reason being, I wanted to make a circle with my midpoint, my center being A, that goes through 2 parts of my triangle. If you didn't make it go through 2 parts of my triangle, you're going to have to extend this line so that you can see the 2 parts, because these 2 parts are going to be very important. All right, then you're going to go to point. You're going to put that point there. Make sure, again, it highlights not just the circle, but the triangle as well. So the point goes there. All right, and what you're going to do now is actually do a bisector, a perpendicular bisector of these 2 points. And the perpendicular bisector of these 2 points is going to be the altitude. All right, so we must have done this perpendicular bisector 3 times now. So we're going to do just from here to here. So again, take a point. You're going to put that point from D to E, but further than halfway. So let's put it right here. Okay. Then you take a compass, and you're going to go from D to F, and you're going to drop it on D. You're going to do it again from D to F, and you're going to drop it on E. And where these 2 points meet is your perpendicular bisector, in this case altitude, because you're doing it from those middle ones. So we're going to go to line segment. I'm going to do my line segment from A, and watch it go. It's going to go automatically. Oh, I think I need to put a point. Do I need to put a point first? Oh, it made a point up for me. I don't know if that's right, so I'm going to do it properly because I'm not sure if it's going to work out that way. Delete. I need to first put a point. Oh, I guess I should delete the point too. Let me go back. All right, put a point here. And I'll put a point here too where they meet. Then go ahead and do my line segment. This way I'm absolutely sure I'm right. So it goes through there. So this is my altitude now. All right, so what I'm going to do is make all these circles disappear. Now, I don't want to delete them because when I come to check, I need to see the circles to make sure that you didn't cheat your way through, because the second part I will show you how to cheat. All right, so going to right click. So you go to, I want to undo that. So notice I'm going to undo that. Go to the pointer here on the left, click move, then go to any circle. Notice any circle is going to get darker. You're going to right click, and then it says object properties. Then you're going to go to color, and I just want to make it disappear, so I'm going to make it the same color as the background, which is white. So watch, when I click white, the circle disappears. From here, I just have to left click, and then click white. Disappears. Left click, click white. Oh, it disappeared again. So let me right click then to put it back, because I don't know what's happened there. Color, white. All right, so this should be my altitude. Now, if I did this correctly, this has to be 90 degrees. Okay, so we're going to go to angle. I'll click on angle. All right, where it says angle, we're going to click on angle. All right, now it's on angle. With angle, you need 3 points. As a matter of fact, or 2 lines. Select 3 points. Select 3 points or 2 lines. Okay, so I'm going to do it point-wise. So I'm going to put an extra point. I'm going to put an extra point here at the bottom. So I'm going to go to point. All right, I'm going to put that point here where the 2 lines intersect. And then I'm going to go to angle. Go angle. Now I forget the order of this. I'm going to go A, I, E, see what it puts the angle. Now it put the angle in the wrong spot, so I need to delete that, or I could just undo or delete, whichever one. I'm going to delete that. Alright, that means I have to go this other way. So I go angle, and I go C, I, H. And there it is. Alright, perfect. So I go back to this mouse thing. Alright, and basically, if this is true, no matter how I move my triangle, if I make it, no matter how I move my triangle, that 90 is still going to be 90. Okay, because it is the altitude. So no matter what my triangle, I can stretch my triangle out if I want to, doesn't matter. It's still going to be the 90. Okay, and that's how you do altitude.